brushing my teeth. Go to my mouth.
Nothing has happened to you. I was just being considerate.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Yeah, thank you. You was touching that orange sweet, and I forgot to put the shoes in my socks. And to
Actually,
yeah, family. So today is a day we actually going out house hunting. Miss Jam Tour says she don't like this house no more because there's a lot of problems and stuff, and noise and stuff, and we're gonna have a newborn soon.
Yeah.
So we try to look for more. We like the environment and stuff, but the house is small and stuff and a lot of stuff. So we're trying to find a house, family, for the new year. So for the new year, you have to change a new gear, and every new year you have to change and you have to evolve and move on, and there's a lot of stuff you have to think about coming into the new year. It's me, myself, right now. A lot of stuff I'm thinking about, launching a new business, a lot of stuff you have to be putting in your head. Things that you actually normally, separate my goals in 3 parts. First quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. So, third quarter is from the starting of the year to like April. Then you have the summer quarter. Then you have the final quarter. So, that's how I put my things down, family. So, the new year is coming up and we have to change some gear. And, life is just full of changes. And you have to adapt and go with the changes, family, of life. Yeah, guys, so we're going to a place to look on a house. We just want to take you along and let you know what house looks like in Kenya. So if you're coming to rent or to buy, actually, where to go. We're actually in the Kiambu area, and we don't really want to leave out of the Kiambu area. So we're looking around that area to actually, for our house, family. So let's go. We're gonna take you along and show you along.
The other day we did one house hunting. Not telling them.
Yeah, we're gonna actually post that video soon.
So we are still on the look.
We are still on the look.
But we love that one. Nothing is a problem with that one.
Yeah, but
it's good to have 3 options and we're the best.
Yeah. Alright, so we're just doing this to show you guys, to show. So let's go.
Then we use the Kasirip Road.
Okay.
Sasa, naweza kaa hapo nyuma?
Ingia tu.
Sasa acha nikuje na hiyo side.
Karibu.
Also check if there's something else.
Yes.
Now the houses are on quite high demand, so there's nothing much that can be seen. It's only the house I want us to see as we go now to the other place.
Okay.
Yes, the market is even flooded because now this is also the connection here. You see this where these vehicles are entering through.
Here.
Yeah, this that takes you all the way to the radio bypass.
Ah.
And then you get to Westlands at the ABC place.
Through this road? Eh?
Yeah, actually driving from here is a maximum of 7 to 10 minutes. In Westlands, yeah.
You can go to Westlands. Wow, that's
Yeah.
nice.
Westland, or they open the road now.
Yeah. So there is connection. There's still another connection up there. So now all has happened. There's a high demand for houses within Waka for guys maybe working in Westlands.
Yeah.
Yeah, and along your way.
Okay.
Yeah. So at times when you come here, like there's only one house or the only one house you can see. There are no other houses.
Okay.
The demand is quite high. Yeah.
Well, it's quite convenient then living there.
Yeah.
If you're working in Westlands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have so many people coming to live around here.
Okay.
You told me you're not interested at all in an apartment.
Yeah, I really don't want an apartment.
Let's see what the standard roads can offer.
Yeah.
Then you maybe you're not satisfied.
Okay.
The Loka is a good place for you to stay.
Let me hope I love them.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's see the standard roads they have to offer.
Okay.
If not suitable, maybe then you can think for over standard or an apartment.
Yeah.
And see what they have.
Sawa. Hey, apartments are quite a challenge, especially with kids and the noise and all that. And privacy a lot.
Privacy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You need your own peace and all that. Yeah.
Let's see both of them. Let's see what's better.
Sawa. You know, we've gotten there, and then I was wondering, so where are the houses here?
Oh, yeah. No.
On the location.
No matter how you want to come, since you're coming from Kiambu, you want to come all the way to this roundabout.
Yeah, obviously.
Then if it's only particular house you are seeing, you could have still driven down.
I would have still used them.
Yeah, to Quickmart and join the banana road.
Okay.
Yeah. So since we can also join from this side,
yes,
and there's something we can
see
in
from
and check out.
Okay.
Why don't you use this road so that
that's fine.
We kill two birds with one stone.
With one stone, yeah. Okay.
Straight?
Yeah? Turn straight? Alright.
These are service.
Okay.
So look at Kasirip that joins from the Dero to Banana.
To Banana.
You know it?
I think I do.
But maybe it's good.
But sometimes, because I don't use the road a lot,
So what has grown coming up?
It has really grown.
Banana is that side over there?
Yeah, banana is the other side.
It's green though.
Yeah,
it's very green.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's maybe woman like it.
He's saying it's green.
It's quite green, eh?
Yeah.
I like it. It's green.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let's go the places to go. Actually, since yesterday I made a lot of calls with my colleagues, my network.
Yes.
To see if there's something else that we can also improve in the because it's always good once you view.
Yes.
That you have at least maybe 2-3 options.
That
you can work with.
That's true.
So that's trying to help you make that decision.
Okay.
That one.
Sawa.
The other side.
So this is the only entrance?
No, there's another entrance. Go to the right. Go to the light.
Okay.
Yeah, go to the light. Good thing it's during the day, so.
Oh yeah. You can't say.
You can see everything. Yeah. There's another entrance from the other.
From the other
direction,
end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then to the left.
It's a real market. There's a question here. You want to gali?
Yeah, here you get everything fresh milk from the cows to the light. To the light.
Okay.
Actually, I live near the roundabout.
Oh, you live just there.
I live
Okay, that's nice. Hey, this road needs to be done something.
It has to be sorted.
But there's another entrance.
Yeah, the other entrance is this one, and there's another one on the back end.
Okay.
Yeah, but now to the left.
Go left.
Sorry, to the left. Sorry. So I was told about this building. This house last night.
Okay.
You can park on the right. There's no. It's only one vehicle. Park on the right. Park on the right. Park on this.
On this side.
It's only one vehicle that uses this gate.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Compound. Okay. Yeah, family. So we're at the first house. Looking at the first house.
Yeah, this is your family. Obviously, not banana family. It's there. Even for we don't rent out. We cannot give a single person such a house.
Yeah.
It's going to become an insult to the neighbors.
Yeah.
So then
You got the repair.
repairs.
Ah.
Yeah. Installing the place too. It's a big place.
Yeah, it's big.
So now they're doing the repairs, then they do fresh paint.
Okay.
Then they clean.
Okay.
I guess this should be the dining, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the sitting
And the sitting room. Then we have a bedroom.
Have one bedroom, washroom. Another bedroom,
Okay.
They're repairing everything. So if you come here possible over the weekend, it will be as new as.
Oh yeah.
And then you see the ceiling is wooden, which means there's no, it maintains the temperature.
Temperature, yeah.
Isn't it bedroom? Oh, the bedroom is the other side.
Okay.
There's some other bedrooms on this side. We pass by the kitchen. That's what I was saying. Here is the dining.
It's big. Oh yeah.
Big kitchen.
Yeah.
Then you can use this door to go down.
Okay. So this is like the bathroom.
Madam, si tutakuchafuria. Sawa, amekubali. Sorry.
Alright, so we don't have to go inside.
Just let the madam know the shit. She's the owner of the house. No, wait here. This is the master. Ini master. Ile sasa iko ile. Iko na choo yake huko.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, this is the first house, but as you know, guys, it's not our style and stuff. You know what I mean? So we're just gonna go and look at the other one, family. Yeah. As you know what I mean. I don't really like house that has, another house and it and stuff. It's like a tenement yard. Okay. This is what the compound looks like. Compound.
That's my take. For me, I've seen that.
You love banana. Bano. No, I'm taking everything. Me taking everything. Love the greenery. I thought ones have closed.
No, these are the four guys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
See.
This week actually they are finishing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, very green. In the countryside. Today you're going to explore another place.
Yeah. Somebody cannot see it. I just glimpsed. There's another one there.
So this is not the town?
Yeah, this is the banana town.
Banana town.
So now you go to the lights at the junction.
Okay. This is a small town, family. Small town.
There are lots of butcheries and petrol stations. Do they? We go right.
Right.
Okay.
You decide to go towards the
Yeah.
the more greener
the
area.
more green. Eh. Oh, this side is more green.
Yeah. It's going towards now Limuru.
Towards Limuru. Yeah, I wanted to ask you that question.
Towards Limuru, yeah.
Okay.
That's about it.
Yeah. Yeah, towards Limuru, it's very green and cold.
Yeah, very.
So which route is shorter coming from Roaka?
coming from Lonka,
It's
yes,
shorter.
it's a bit shorter, but Caesar had wanted us to check this.
To
one.
check this one, yeah, that's why we came here.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it was much more wise to use.
To use the other one. Okay.
This is actually where, you know, the street that you turn in to look at the second home. So we just go in family. This is what it looks like. To let 1 bedroom bed seat. Just put it on the house number, sweetie. These are like the bed seaters to let.
All those are 1 bedrooms.
1 bedrooms to let. This is like
A village.
Yeah.
the interior.
I'm sure they're very cheap, eh?
Yeah.
Not very, but yeah, they're cheap.
But affordable.
Yeah, they're affordable.
So this one is a standalone inside here, right?
Yeah, I get in a gated community. You remember the photos you saw?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the
Gated
houses.
community.
This is like a gated community.
Yeah.
Village side.
To the light. Should be to the light.
This would have been good for Amish
Okay.
No,
to live out in
to
the
the
village
right.
side to the
We
right.
down here.
No.
Straight.
Go down there.
But,
Ah, it's here, sorry, it's here.
Oh, this
It's here, it's here.
It's,
It's here.
it's not far from the road at
It's
least.
not far from the production, sorry.
it's inside here.
Inside this black gate,
We
right?
can drive in, yeah?
It's inside here.
Yes.
It's inside,
Okay.
There's a church just there. For
Oh,
worshiping. Wow.
this is what a gated community look like.
Community, yeah.
Yeah, family. A gated community.
Yeah.
In
See, the houses are quite different.
Yeah.
But some people park outside.
Or we park outside?
Now I'm saying you
No,
can
no,
park
you can-
outside as a
Yeah, people they prefer parking outside.
Maybe,
Let's go in, then you
It's
can
going
park.
straight down our.
You get somewhere to park.
We go down.
Let's go down.
Okay.
So we don't
So
park.
these are other houses.
These are others. You see now the way I told you, it's quite different.
So how many
Ah.
houses available here?
There should be like 1 or 2.
Ah.
Yeah, that's now.
Yeah, as I
You
can
see
see.
now the auto is told you that the compound.
Yeah.
You can park.
God,
So,
Jehovah.
what happened?
What
I
happened?
don't know where you entered.
Shit.
Yeah, no.
It's bad.
No, it's okay. Because up.
We can pass.
Yeah, just go on. Drive on your hand.
This black car has really packed it.
Drive on your right.
Yeah.
Back to the right.
Back to the right.
Just park here so you're not staying for long. You can just park here. We are not staying for long. You're just seeing them. Let me look for the guy, yeah?
Okay. Alright.
Park it for CS.
Okay, I got shocked. I could be here, we cannot stay.
Choose to take these things.
Sawa.
How big is the hole? Or is that one?
No, it's not a hole. It's that step.
A step, oh yeah.
It's not a hole. I may thought you've entered through here. Blood clip. Maybe the place looks congested. It's not as I saw.
Water issue, water problem.
No. In Banana there is no water issue. The problem with... Well, let's just go to Edenville.
So you have things. Yeah, family. So as you can see, we have an agent today taking us around. And this is what you get, family. Normally when we're looking for a house, we just see a house and we like it, so we just go to see. But it's just a different feeling when you have like an agent carrying you around place looking at house. Highly unlikely, mostly, you're not really like these house family. Why? Because you never see it from the get-go to say, yes, I like it. So as you can see, most of the time the house that we normally get is the one that we see on our own and we say, yes, we like it. Let's look at inside. But going on with that agent, it's pretty difficult because one thing I like with the agents here, they're free of charge. You don't have to pay. But in Ghana you have to pay.
We are driving.
We are driving.
Yeah, going down.
Alright, fam. So let's go to look. Even though we decided that we're not gonna really take these things
Just go to that house we saw.
because
Can
you know what I mean. As you know, where we living now, it's a different situation, a different everything.
Twende chini.
This one being,
Oh, so the house is down there.
Yeah, there's something. No, the ones we are supposed to For our budgets, it's on these ones.
Which one?
These ones here on the light.
These ones.
Now, and it's how much?
Yeah, they go for 55. Now it tells me it's the person who is supposed to vacate has not vacated, but there's something they have done a new house there for 60. There's a place that you can turn. So
okay.
yeah, it's very new. These ones they have ever been occupied. Let's check this one, then we go up and see something on this other side. Because definitely you have to come even here for you to turn.
To turn, okay.
Yeah, they will be once they clear this side, they do not the play area for the children here. Because it has been operations.
Oh, for the player.
Yeah. Maybe we can go to here. Just park here to the light. Next to the side. Yeah. You see what I told you? They are still building new faces.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
I think this is the phase 5.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you're okay there.
Alright.
So this is it. Okay. Alright, family. So this is like a marionette. This is your parking for your 2 car, 3 cars. And the lighting is there.
Another party action.
Yeah. It's big. The lighting is big. So this is like bathroom, server.
This for the guests.
Yes.
Yeah.
The kitchen is right there.
This face. Now the fridge. The cooker storage. Fridge comes there. The cooker goes there.
I'll go there. Okay.
Yeah. It's down the sink. It's not nice. Then there's a small pantry.
Small pantry right there.
For extra stuff.
Small pantry right.
This is the guest wash.
Yeah.
Right.
How many rooms? 3.
Should be there.
Three rooms and everything is upstairs. Yeah.
Sorry for your height.
Yes. You have to watch it. You have to watch
Then
it.
my gun went up. So comfortable.
Okay, so this is the first room. It's a 3-bedroom, right?
Yes.
Bathroom. Yeah. Bathroom.
This I've not seen it before myself also.
Okay.
This is very new, yeah. Yeah.
I really like this.
Yeah.
I really like this right here. It's like a study area,
Yeah.
like a computer
Yeah,
area.
that's a kind of a
Yeah, this is nice. I like that. This is all in suit.
Every room has its
Own bathroom.
the guests they have theirs.
downstairs.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm sure that one should be the master.
Yeah.
This should be the master there.
This will be the master.
See, there's this. I think this is the place what we are looking for. See the storage, sir.
Yeah, this is the master bedroom storage.
In the evening, when you are not happy, rather than you boxing her, you come out here and relax. When she's happy, rather than her telling you too much,
Yeah.
she comes here and relax in the evening. Yeah.
This is nice.
That's it. Yeah, that's the neighbor right there.
Yeah, then they do a child's play area.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the love.
I love the electric fence.
Yeah, there's electric fence all over.
Okay, all around.
So you can choose between this one and the next one.
Okay. Yeah.
See, once you set your 8 by 8 or 10 by 10 bed,
It's
not
big.
even 6.
Yeah, it's very big.
Yeah, it's very big.
Yeah.
Yeah. Enough cabinets. Enough.
Love enough storage.
For the jeans, my filter. So this is the game in my drawer. Yeah.
It's nice.
There's washroom. Yeah, that's a shoe rack. It's like a shoe rack now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's the setup, yeah.
I love how everything will just be,
Inside, yeah. Nothing hanging outside.
Yeah.
And all bedrooms are
Oh,
Yeah.
yes, that's the light in there up there too.
Yeah.
Right, it's nice around.
See when it's changing the colors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Very new. So this one, when the king comes, there's no one to pinch it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Eh?
Yes.
Because people say when you get a newborn, to have the newborn in a new
In a
house.
new house.
Yeah, so you don't have strangers living with you.
Yeah. Yeah, families. As you can see, that's the house for now. Yeah, it's big. Yeah, family. So I hope you like, share, and comment. Guys, this alone will kill this video. Might have go bomb 1,000,000 times. No, this will work for me. I don't think this will work. Eh? Was that time you will forget to bend?
But you can hear, you're so close.
Yeah.
So you can do your party right here? You can have a party here, sir. How many cars outside?
Yeah. I have a party, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, this is the last house.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, see, these are good spaces. Because taking the owner back up, right? The ambulance should be somewhere in the back. They have not.
The hanging line will be right around there.
Then this goes in the back.
Yeah, family. This is like the 9th stone. This is like the stone they used to build a house, and they actually have to cut it. I guess you only will find these stones in Africa, family. These are stones that you only will find in Africa, and they're used for building. As you can see, these are the 9 stones. Very strong stones from the earth. All of these stones. So just imagine, family, when they build a house, how strong it is with these stones. Yeah, family. So, you know, just to top it off, family, with this place. It's not, the house is not bad, but the environment is kind of not my style and not our style. So I don't think we'll come here to live. Don't think so. Yeah, family. So this is just what it is, what it's like living outside of the city. This is outside of the city. This is the 9 stones, right?
Yeah, that's great.
Not everything here is 9.
No.
This one is 9. This one is 9, family.
Any stone that looks like this one, that one.
So those one are what? Those black ones.
I am not sure, but as you can see, this one is kinda. Unless you ask this man, but
Oh,
we
when-
only know the name.
When you build with these stones, strong house you get. Yeah. All right, family. So let's go. Like, share, and comment on the video. And let us know. your
So now the
thoughts.
55 one should be vacated by Saturday, Sun, and this block.
Ah, okay,
But
okay.
it's similarly,
Similar to
almost
this
the
one.
same.
Okay.
but it's not in suit.
Oh, it's not in suit.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
okay.
even the space is a bit smaller now.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
All
Then
right,
you see the
family.
master
Let's
for this
go.
one doesn't have a balcony also.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah, this has a balcony. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and also the space. Yeah.
All right, family. Like, share, and comment. Let us know.
Actually, when you consider the sun is behind,
Let us know your thoughts.